Welcome to Medical Therapeutic Yoga with Dr. Ginger Garner. In this video, we're going to be working on windshield wipers. Windshield wipers is a movement that I use to identify types of movement impairments in twisting or rotating the spine and through the pelvic girdle, the hip, the knee, and the ankle. For windshield wipers, you'll need your yoga mat, possibly a yoga rug if it makes the mat more comfortable, especially if you're on a hard surface. And you'll be lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat, with the feet mat width apart. The second thing you need to know is don't allow the knees to drop further than is comfortable for the spine or anything in the lower quarter, such as the hip, the knee, or the ankle. You can stop that additional movement with a block under the knee if necessary. Second, as you allow the knees to drop with control to the right, notice the space between the bottom of the rib cage and the top of the hip, formerly known as the iliac crest. Both sides should feel equal as you explore the movement with your hands and with the movements of the body. You may even need to look, as I'm doing here, look at the distance between the bottom of the rib cage and the top of the iliac crest. That soft tissue should feel pliable and responsive. There shouldn't be any tugs or pulls from the abdominal region, the viscera, any scars that you have, or in the respiratory diaphragm. As you'll see my fingers hooking over towards the diaphragm now, there shouldn't be any tender points to touch there, or through the hip joint. There should also not be any torque or twisting feeling in the knee. Anything that you notice as pain or tension here should be relayed to your therapist or your healthcare provider. So check the distance between the rib cage and the top of the pelvis. Breathe deeply. Use abdomino-diaphragmatic breath here to explore the movement. And we'll also move to the throat, the thoracic diaphragm. Checking for tension there. The shoulder shouldn't rise. It should stay resting on the ground. Again, allow a block under the knees, as I'm demonstrating or mimicking here, a block under the knees, to avoid twisting any further than your spine, hip, torso, or knees will allow. Any areas of discomfort, lack of movement, tension, or pain that you notice, this is wonderful information to take to your therapist so they can help you work through it and prescribe yoga that fits you best. Windshield wipers is a practice that you can do every day as a bit of test to check the health of the spine in the lower quarter. Thank you for joining me.